And here we have another custom runner installation that we're putting together. And just to give you an idea of perspective of the type of installations required when you do custom runners. Here's one we just completed where the runner was going on a platform that was open on two ends to two steps. So in order to maintain the border, we needed to insert the runner and seam it on the side. More typically, where you have just a runner doing a single 90-degree turn with the border, we need to make an angle cut and seam it together. So again, to maintain the border over going here and going up 90 degrees to the steps. So we actually have to cut, and you can see this line here, that's where the seam is made. In this installation here, where we have a 26-inch runner with no border, but we need to run it 90 degrees up the steps, we have to actually match the pattern, as you see, getting ready to be seamed. This is one that's already completed here. This is going over the platform and turning up the stairway, and the stairs are going up this way. So again, this is what we had to do. We had to just take a cut from the regular roll, match the pattern, and seam it together. So this is in the process. We'll be installing it soon, so you could watch the finished project soon, and then we can complete the installation, and you'll see the video. So while you're there, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other videos of other categories of floorings and types of installations. And while you're there, if you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.